We're back with breaking updates coming in. The US President Donald Trump has done it again. He has reiterated and has continued to claim that he stopped the India-Pakistan war. That's a claim that he has made yet again, saying the war was going to end in a nuclear way, and he is the one who ensured that it ended. That's the claim that he has made. And in fact, this time, yet again, he has also gone on to claim that 5 jets were shot down. Now, the reason this statement is important is because the opposition has picked it up time and again. The US president, of course, has made these claims time and again. The Ministry of External Affairs, the government, has clarified on the same and has said on record that it was the Pakistani DGMO that had reached out for a ceasefire, after which the ceasefire understanding had been reached. And yet, Donald Trump is continuing to make these statements. Now, it could be for his own domestic reasons, but unfortunately, in the country, the opposition has picked it up time and again. In fact, so much so that the opposition has also asked for a debate in the parliament on the same. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, Donald Trump making this claim yet again of jets being downed, also claiming the Indo-Pak war was going to end in a nuclear face-off.
Well, we need to see it through the lens of trade deal that is being negotiated between New Delhi and Washington. New Delhi is adamant that we cannot give access to United States in agriculture and Delhi, and that we are hearing all this from Donald Trump. It can be seen as pressure tactics from Washington to ask New Delhi to agree to the demands of Washington on the trade deal. And that's the reason that we are hearing Donald Trump again and again on this issue.
Okay, all right. Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details. The claim that has been made by the US president yet again is that it was going to end up in a nuclear war. That's a claim that has been made by the US President Donald Trump, who has gone on to say that the India-Pakistan war was going to end in a nuclear war, and it was his intervention that actually ensured peace. Now, India has made it clear that it was not the interference of the United States. In fact, it has also gone on to say that third-party mediation is never the stand of India, saying that it was a talk from the Pakistani DGMO that ensured in the ceasefire understanding. And yet, the US president has yet again made the claim. What will be interesting to see is whether this issue resonates in the parliament or not, because among the many issues that the opposition has spoken of is also the claim that has been made by the US President Donald Trump, going on to say that there should be a discussion in the parliament. The opposition has in fact said that the Prime Minister should speak in the parliament on these claims. Now, in the latest, the US President has yet again gone on to claim that it was the United States that intervened in the India-Pakistan war, and it was the United States. In fact, he has gone on to credit himself, going on to say that he is responsible for ensuring peace in the region. General Shashi Asthana joins us on the broadcast. Major General, yet again the same claim being made by Donald Trump. He says that it was the United States that ensured a brokered truce between India and Pakistan.
See, President Trump, having given a statement once, would like to continue because he knows that India has denied it again and again. Also, he knows that the other side of the story, which he and Pakistan would know that something must have transpired between him and Pakistan, because when ceasefire was announced, or when it was decided that we will go for the strategic pause in Op Sindoor, and that time it was decided that it will be told to everybody at 5 o'clock between India and Pakistan. But then Pakistan must have, for whatever reasons, communicated it to USA, and he got a chance to do so. So now he is trying to encash that chance and encash a situation,
Okay.
Whether it is for his Nobel Peace Prize or it is for not suffering an embarrassment of
Yes.
telling a lie, and therefore repeatedly telling
Yes,
That if you
and
tell
it may be for his own domestic reasons, but unfortunately it's picked up in the country with the opposition leader saying that the government should respond each time, and that's where the issue really comes in. Major General, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. With that, it's time for us to head into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.